pirates of the Crimson Tide. In the golden age of piracy, when the sea was a vast, untamed frontier, there existed a legend whispered in taverns and feared on the high seas. The legend of the Crimson Tide, a pirate ship shrouded in mystery and captained by the enigmatic Captain Redbeard, known for his cunning and ruthlessness. Our tale begins in the bustling port of Nassau, a haven for pirates and adventurers. Among them was a young sailor named Jack Hawkins, a bold and restless spirit drawn to the sea's call and tales of treasure and glory. Jack longed for an adventure beyond the mundane life of the port, and his chance came in an unexpected manner. One evening, while wandering the docks, Jack overheard a conversation about a hidden treasure.